Put down the machine gently and find something to support the machine to avoid scratching. Remove 4 machine feet by removing the screws. Now we need to secure the pedestal first. Rotate the lower nut clockwise to drop the leveling feet for 4 casters. Then rotate the upper stud counterclockwise to secure the leveling feet. Flip the pedestal to the back, open the base, and secure the screws. Secure the screws in the middle into the pre-installed nuts. For the sides without pre-installed nuts, choose appropriate screws longer than 20 mm and nuts to assemble and secure. Put the power cord inside the pedestal through the top hole. Put the machine on the pedestal. Ensure the cable is entirely inside the pedestal and does not affect the connection. Find the studs form the spare parts package. Install studs at the 4 corners from the inner top side of the pedestal. Remove the screws and take off the plate. There is a pass-through hole inside for the MDB cable. Disconnect the original MDB cable, then attach to the extension MDB cable, and pass it through the hole. Reinstall the plate and secure the screws. Organize the cable. Remove the nuts on bill acceptor cover plate. Fix the bill acceptor mounting plate with 4 nuts. Attach the bill acceptor with 4 nuts. Attach the coin changer and secure the screws. Connect the MDB cable. An extension cable is used to connect the bill acceptor and the coin changer. Required: WH6Q0002 cable with 2 female and 1 male connectors. Finished look. Connect the power cord to socket inside the pedestal. Connect to external power supply to power on the machine after installation. Lock the door for pedestal and that's it.